perfect holiday foundation or a holiday gift for a friend, you can really do something with this foundation. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanaya, known as Modest Guru. We are here together. And today I am reviewing the new, it's definitely still new. This item like sold out for quite some time. I could not get my hands on it. So now that I have it, I had to let you guys in on this amazing product. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter in the shade 5 Medium Tan. Let's admire this. Like, I feel like it was just this time last year, which I'm pretty sure it was, like somewhere around this time, where I reviewed like one of e.l.f.'s new foundations back then, which was like their camo. It's like a part of the camo collection. And that video like did amazing. Just saying, I really was able to put some people on right before the holidays. So e.l.f. Cosmetic is a drugstore foundation, and they offer affordable products like all the way around, from makeup to skincare to just self-care in general. They have quite a few different variety of products, and I've been using e.l.f. ever since like I got into the makeup industry. Like ever since my brows was like looking crazy, my friends would never tell me how horrible my too light complexion would be. I was wearing like e.l.f. cosmetic makeup. To remain a very affordable drugstore like company it's like chef's kisses, because I could not get my hands on this, and I felt some type of way. Because about this product, it is infused with squalane and hyaluronic acid. This glow booster creates a self-enhancing soft focus effect for effortless radiance. It's the only filter you'll ever need. That's a big claim, States to customize your glow. You can wear it alone, under or over makeup, so you can still apply this and then still like apply your foundation, but apply a different foundation if you would like. Or you can mix it with one of your favorite foundations, or use it as a highlighter to apply to desired areas and blend into your skin. Just from the bottle you get a 1.6 fluid ounce, so that is a lot. I feel like it'll last you for quite some time, and this product retails for $15. I had to continue to check my local Target to get my hands on this. So once you twist out the top, it actually comes out in this type of brush applicator here. Very, very convenient. I feel like a brush applicator prevents a lot of spills, so you can just easily, stroke on your makeup and kind of go. It's like a quick, on the go, everyday type of foundation. I don't know about y'all, but like winter time, whew, baby, my skin, my face, from my face down to my feet, dry. Like I cannot catch a break. I find that I buy more, like I invest into more skincare and body care hydrating products in the wintertime, because it's always been like that. I have like, even from my lips, you can see like a little bit, like they tend to get very, very dry. And I'm going to make a video about like super dry skincare for the winter months, so look forward to that video. It's been long overdue for a new brush, and I'm using the MORPHE E63 brush. And for me, I love this foundation brush. It's almost just like painting on, and it's so soft. Like, I'm going to take about that much, and kind of want to get up closer. Not too much under the eyes. I'm not like the type of person that like foundation under my eyes or anything. So let's just blend that out. Ooh, as you can see, this is such a great match. Already, just from like the sheen from the video, You can tell just how hydrating this foundation is. Oh, okay. This is with the product Blend It All Out. You guys can't tell me, the skin is glowing, and it covered up so many like imperfections, like in this area. It's pretty much covered. I feel like I'm in between. I could probably do one shade down, but I love more of, like, I've said this in my previous video, but I don't like going too exact or too light, just because I use concealers that have like a combination of that neutralizes my under eye, but I also brighten my under eye. Not extreme, but I brighten my under eye. Yeah, let's go ahead and see how the foundation actually wears with two of my concealers. So I use the Too Faced Cosmetic concealer, and I use the new Milk Makeup concealer. This is Born This Way concealer in the shade Sand. This is like the OG to my concealer. Always have to use this as a base, and then I typically will try out new concealers, but I stick to what I know because this is great by itself, and it's also great to neutralize like any dark circles, problem areas that you may have underneath your eyes. I go in right after with my Milk Makeup. This is their Future Fluids concealer, and this is in the shade 120. So I'll pair these two together. You can kind of see the difference. You can see the difference here. One is more neutral, and then another one is like a yellow, has a yellow undertone, like as a brightener. Going in with my e.l.f. cosmetic. This is their Camo Beauty Blender. If you know, you know. I've been using this beauty blender faithfully for a while now. Right, so we're just gonna blend under the eyes. So that's with it blended out. Oh, so pretty. So I'm just applying my Black Radiance bronzer to add more definition back into my face. Yeah, it's so hard to like record and be pregnant. Like, as much as I want to be on YouTube like a lot, just my overall self-care as well. And then I'm not even gonna lie, it's hard to sit here for like about an hour straight with these type of videos. The weight in my feet, my legs go a little bit numb, but nonetheless I'm blessed, highly favored. So it's been a great pregnancy so far. So pretty. Oh, make sure it's blended. To set my face, I'm using one of my favorite, like regular, when I say regular, I mean I've been using this for quite some time. I'm using one of my OG setting powders that I've been using forever, and it is the Airspun. This is their original formula. So can you believe that this powder came out in like 1935? Like, what? And it's still around. I don't typically bake with this powder. I just set my concealer. So just like that. I forgot what shade. This is in Neutrally Neutral. So, but they have like translucent, a pink. I really want to try like a pink setting powder, and I've been trying to get my hands on the Huda Beauty pink setting powder, and yeah, no, have not came back in stock yet. Not that I'm aware of. And then I'm just setting my bronzer with the Makeup by Mario medium contour powder. Okay, look you guys at this. Ugh. Also, everything that I used today will be tagged in my description box below, so don't forget to at least click the link see if it's available. If not, I'm still going to post it because it can come available at any time. But yeah, I will be right back to give you my final thoughts. Of course, you already know I love it, but I'm just going to show you the finished look, and I would love to hear from you guys. But make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more videos from your girl. This is the finished look, and I am pleased. I'm really pleased with how this foundation wears. I should pop back in at the end of the night to show you guys how it wore throughout the rest of the day. So after a few hours, this is the final look, and I can't get over $15. Flawless finish, like super flawless. I wore this previously and it wears like beautifully throughout the day. If you can, if they have your shade, or sign up for notifications when it comes back in stock. Yeah, this is a winner. Perfect holiday foundation or a holiday gift for a friend. You can really do something with this foundation. I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and I love you guys. So thank you so much, and until next time, take care. Happy holidays. Hey loves, we are back, and the time right now, it is 8 p.m. And so I wanted to just come on here real quick and show you exactly how the foundation held up for a majority of the days. Still looks really good, so I'm gonna get up close. So I only have creasing here, completely normal. That's my smile line. I'm gonna laugh, I'm gonna eat. My concealer, you know, separated just a little bit, like right up underneath my eye. Nothing too major at all. My discoloration, which I have like a little bit of hyper pigmentation here, is still covered pretty well, pretty nicely. And then my skin still have like this glow, but it's not like, no oils have really like seeped through where I set my face. So even for the areas that's not really set, I still feel like this is gorgeous. Like e.l.f. did a thing. I'm so pleased and so happy.